My name is David Solomon.
And I'm Yeye Ishaku.
Okay, this is an Android augmented reality application. It is a campus safeguard using QR code. We developed an Android application, and this application has the ability to use the phone's camera to scan any QR code and give related information about any office. First, you launch your app, which is this. And this app, we called it My Guide. When you launch your app, you see Welcome to My Guide, the AIT University Campus Self-Guided Tour app. And now, in this app, you have two options. It is either you identify office or you view programs. When you choose Identify Office, you click this button, and then it takes you to where you can scan your QR code. And now this is the QR code for support units. We created other QR codes for this is accounting office and this is student affairs. So now let's get information for student affairs. We tap on this. Now there is no internet connection. This phone is not connected to the internet. So what it does is it tells you, please check your internet connectivity and try again. So what we do is we go back and then we try to connect to the internet. So waiting for internet connectivity. So we try to get the phone connected to the internet. It is taking much time to connect, but all we have to do is wait a little. So now this is it. We've connected to the internet. So what we do is we go back to our app. So now this is the app. We go back to Identify Office. You click the button. It takes you here again, Student Affairs. So we tap on this. Now it tries to fetch the data from our database. Now it displays information about Student Affairs Office, and with that it still gives you the department head and his phone number. So now you have related information about this office. So what we have to do is go back. You go back to the interface, and now we also added few buttons here where you can use flash and autofocus. So now let's go back to Identify Office. Now you see we can use our flashlight, and now it is autofocus. So no matter how far you are from your phone, you can still use this. So now let's go back to the interface. Now we are done with Identify Office. Now we want to view programs. We click on the button. Just as I said, if there is no internet connectivity, it can't display this information here. It tells you there's no internet connectivity, so you should connect to the internet and try again. So now because the phone is connected to the internet, it brought us here to this page. Now what we did to get this page is we used AIT's official website and we used it within our app. So now instead of using AIT's official website, when you have this app, you just click view programs. It takes you here to identify view programs, and it shows you the related programs offered in AIT. So now we can choose, maybe you want to see the courses, the programs here for Certificate of Technology, CTech. You click it, you wait for it to load. So what it does, it shows you the related information also. So you have Certificate of Technology, CTech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering. So what you do is when you want to get more information, you still click on it. Now you still have the ability to view all this information still within our app, now web view. So it gives you the program's synopsis where you have little something about the program, and now you can either choose to see the fee structure or program structure. And now within this app, you can still choose to either register online. That's if you want to register online. You can still do that within our app, within this app. Now you see it takes you here, so you can fill in this information. You register online. which is this now. So we are done with this. We want to go back to our interface. That is our home. Now what we did, we have different we developed, or we created different QR codes for this program, for this application. So when you scan a QR code that is not registered, it shows you QR code successfully scanned but not registered. But for now, we don't have any QR code that has not been, that we didn't develop, not registered to any office. So now we go back. Okay, let's try to scan a QR code for accounting office. Now this is accounting office. You tap on this and now it displays information about this. It tries to fetch the data from our database. Now I think there's no more internet connectivity because maybe the bundle is finished or something. So what you do is go back. When you have data, you can still try it again, and that is all for the app. The work of the student here is just to go download the app and then use it straightforward. It is a very easy app, very easy to use, and it helps to identify office and view programs just as it was developed. Thank you.